Hey, if you're looking for a nice Silverado, check this out. 1988 Chevy Silverado. Regular cab, long box, as you can see. Paint is in nice shape. Gentleman that has this truck listed with us, good customer of ours, just doesn't have the space for it anymore, is losing his storage, so it's time to move it on to somebody that could enjoy it. A little over 140,000 miles on it, but he has upkept this truck very, very well. Runs out nice, drives out nice. I'll kind of show you condition of the body, cab corners as we walk around it. I want to let you know, first of all, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out the interior, the bed, the engine bay underneath it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. That's going to take you right to the still pictures. As you can see, stock wheels, Nerf bars. One thing I want to point out is the gentleman did have the cab corners redone. Those are in nice shape. If you look up and down the side of this truck, not real scratched, not real dinged. Again, paint, nice shape. I'd call it a nice driver quality paint. Most trucks that are going to be 30 plus years old, not in this type of condition. Take a look at the interior, all stock interior. The one thing I will point out in the pictures and even in this video, this interior is much more burgundy than it kind of shows in the pictures. It kind of gets that tan washed out look. That is not the way it is in person. It's a nice burgundy interior. I don't know if I can step, there you go. If I step far enough back, there's a more true idea of what color the interior is. So just want to let you know it's not faded, washed out. It's a nice burgundy cloth interior. Bench seat. Of course, the Silverado would be nicely equipped as far as with your power options. And of course, power brakes, power steering. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this vehicle transported to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you either give us a call or email in. As far as the box of it, does have a spray and bed liner. There is a couple extra floor mats and a center console that I just set in the back box while I was picturing it up and doing the video here, so you could see the seat and the interior and everything. Now, the one spot I did notice around this rear wheel well, just a little bubbling here. Other than that, lower rockers, again, down where the cab corner is at, nice and solid. And again, you look up and down this side of the truck, not full of dings, dents, scratches, what have you. Nice condition, a lot of life left in this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, as far as gauges, all the gauges appear to work. Tried it earlier. A little aftermarket Pioneer stereo is added. Let me turn off these fans. As you can see, the dash also in nice shape, not full of cracks or fading, peeling of any sort. Nice smooth running truck, as you can hear. Again, here's the interior. Try to give you a little further away shot, so it shows up washed out somewhat on this side. It is not. Headliner also in nice shape. We're going to go ahead and pop this hood too, so I can show you the engine bay here in a second too. See how nice everything fits. Once again, check out the still pictures. Look it over close. You can see the interior engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. I'm going to pause this a second and pop this hood so you can see how it looks underneath there. All right, here you go. There's a 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC, and see how nice and tight it is underneath here too. See how clean the hood liner is. All around, you can tell this is nice, well taken care of truck. So you're looking for a nice 4x4 Chevrolet Silverado. Here it is, 1988, regular cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website in these pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Ask your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you.